Hello, construction crew! Welcome to the building site!
First, we need to dig. This is Digger the Excavator. Digger is digging a big square hole for the foundation.
Trucky the dump truck is ready. Digger puts the dirt in Trucky's big bed. Trucky will take the dirt far away.
Next, we need the ground to be flat and strong. Here comes Roller. Roller rolls. It makes the ground super smooth. Perfect! The foundation is ready. Now we need the heavy parts. Let's bring in the big blocks. Mixer pours the strong cement. This will help our little house stay safe and sturdy. Roller is back to smooth the cement. Smooth. Make sure there are no bumps. Hooray! The walls are up. It looks like a strong little box. But it needs a hat. It needs a roof. Trucky brought the roof. It's a big brown triangle. We need to lift this very high. Be careful, Trucky. Crane, be strong. Lift that roof up. Can you see how high it is going? Amazing! Clink, the roof is on. Now it's a real house. Honk! The construction crew did it!
Digger helps with the windows. A nice bright green window so we can see outside. Tap. It fits perfectly. Trucky brings the big red door. Now we can go inside and be safe from the rain. Open and close. Here comes Forky the forklift. He brought the tiny stones for the chimney. We need a chimney for Santa Claus.
Stack! Crane is so good at stacking. We are building the tall chimney. Almost finished.
The house is built, but we must clean up. The best construction crews are also the neatest. Clean up, everybody!
One last roll from Roller. A smooth path for everyone to walk on. Great job, Roller!
Look at our beautiful new house. We built it all together. Digger, Roller, Trucky, and Crane. Yay! We are so proud. When you work hard and work together, you can build anything you dream of. Digger digs. Trucky dumps.
Roller rolls. Crane lifts. Remember their names and their jobs.